Sithando sami, every time we kiss and every time we hug, I keep saying to myself that he's the one. Every time we meet, our hearts will be in sync, yeah. If this love is just a dream, then let me sleep. Ngoba ngiyakuthanda, hey, wena dali, ngiyakufuna, oh honey, ngiyazifela nawe baby, hey, ngithanda wena, you are my first love, hey. Ungowam, sithando sami. Ungowam, my first love, yeah. Ungowam, my first love. Ngithanda ubuhle bakho, hey. Your aura, the way you smile, baby. Ngifuna kuwe nawe, baby, yeah. All day and all night, ngoba ngiyakuthanda, wena darling, ngiyakufuna, eh, oh honey, ngiyazifela nawe. You are my first love, baby. Ngiyakutanda, oh ngiyakutanda, baby, yeah. Oh honey, oh nawe, baby, yeah. Ngithanda wena, you are my first love. What's up? Come on, wave your hands like this, come on, what? Yeah. Ungowam, sithando sami. Ungowam, my first love. My first love. Thank you.
Mimmie Tarukwana.
Awarachi.
It's good, man.
I was keeping
No, I'm good. Hey, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Man, yeah. we are lucky. Mimmie, what's up from Putuago?
Opani?
Asaf.
No, some adopt to Asaf.
Serious?
I'm joking, yeah, he's my brother.
Wow. You know about which means you guys, in music,
yeah, it's in our blood, definitely.
Yeah, and then he's doing good and you're doing
very
good
well,
too.
yeah. Thank you.
I also want to congratulate you for what you are doing. I hear you are doing vocal classes, you're training young people, young artists.
Yes, I did. I am, yeah.
Wow. I don't know. Also, as umuntu ongumfazi, working out there, how is it like?
Well, it's been an amazing experience so far, so good. As you know, I started out as a backing vocalist, and then from there I became a soloist, probably 2017, 2018. And then everything was okay, a bit slow because obviously the industry we are in, is a bit harsh to women. And then COVID hit, and 2020 I decided, no, let me try and see what else I can do, since we are not allowed to have shows. So I thought, okay, what about vocal classes for beginners online? And that way I'll have I'll also be exercising my voice and not limiting myself, but I'll also be giving my craft to my friends, my fans, my family, those that follow me. So from there I started online. It's a WhatsApp, Zoom call, video call, and no problem.
It's also business.
It's business, definitely.
Of which that's a smart move.
Yeah.
You understand? Because they believe you have to go on stage.
Yeah.
Sometimes even when you're back to your stage, there's ways. I wish with the artists out there see it as a challenge. Guys. So today I want us to listen to Thandy Dhlana. Have you met Thandy Dhlana before?
Yes, I've met Thandy. I love Thandy's music. I'm a big fan. I'm a huge fan.
Wow.
The whole Inganekwane is my favorite album.
Wow.
Do
you know what Thandy started in general?
Serious?
She was also a backing vocalist. Back there. So I was about to play that song, Kululeka. That song, to me, I don't know what it is, but I find it very, very emotional. Young, touching baby. It's not just a song.
No, it's not.
Yeah, so I was like listening to it a lot before Ubuyala. So maybe let me.
That's a jam.
Wow, that's a jam.
That's a good song.
That's a jam. I don't know, just maybe briefly. What's your take?
I love this song. It's actually one of my favorite songs in the album. It's like you said, it's not just any song. It's an emotional song. You can tell from the lyrics, the way she was writing, it's personal. And Lami, in my life, I've experienced personal things when I'm also saying, Lawe Hamba Pela.
Wow.
So I really.
Excuse me.
Hamba Pela. So I love this song. Yes.
It's actually a tight track. So Mimmie, I just want to ask a favor from you.
Okay. What's the favor?
Obviously, as Kwesami, this is our cause, man. To try and do a rendition. You mind if we say Mimmie to sense this version, but
my version. We can try.
We can try, eh?
I'm not a Thandy Dhlana, but we can try. I hope she'll love it.
No, let's go. Let's do this.
Let me put it in this shape.
Because I'm not going to No, so tell me that Mimmie will challenge you with ingoma le time. Amabala I am vexed. You understand? This is as much as your language. I get stuck. You understand?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so me personally I understand that. We are born.
Yeah.
And it's not I don't see it as a problem. Language going to be a barrier.
No, it shouldn't be. It shouldn't be. But we'll get there.
Auntie?
Yeah. This looks amazing. I need to take for my Instagram, as Instagram.
Have you met Prince before?
I have. I met Prince at the Maplanka-Stot exhibition. It was amazing, but he refused to cook for me. So I'm now so happy that today, finally, after I've been begging him and begging him.
So, Prince, singing for this
yeah, I love it. It's good to have you on the show. I'm a fan of your work.
Me too.
Like, think ubambelela, like literally taking the song, the literal sense.
Thank you.
I think so many challenges, but need to like
to hold on.
And finally, I get to cook for you.
Finally, sure.
After
I've been
months
waiting.
and months.
Yeah, I've been waiting. So
but I didn't know. Do you eat sorghum, Sadza?
I think I do.
This is your first time?
It's my first time, but I'm sure I'm about to be tasting it. I can see. So this is sorghum.
This is sorghum, yeah.
Wow.
I like cooking things that I eat.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of cooking things that I do not eat. Then someone asks you, what did you cook? You're like, Yeah, so I always like, this is actually a personal philosophy of mine.
Okay.
Also in the gym, as a trainer also. I always like doing exercises that the client can also see. Yeah, I don't like, 10 press-ups.
Yeah, we don't
So that's what I take. I'm not a fan of white.
Okay.
Of maize, because of the nutritional value. Maize is close to nothing.
Okay.
Sure, yeah.
Exactly. So what can you tell him?
All right, I like it. I've been tasting while you're talking.
Oh, and do you the goat?
Yes, I eat both.
Thank you.
I like it. It tastes very healthy.
Okay.
So yeah, I think he did well.
Thank you.
I like it.
And then when I said he was busy, man, I brought this juice person. A man with
the watermelon, yeah.
Watermelon. Yeah. I returned the man to carry.
Yeah.
I love him.
Yeah. So it's very healthy, yeah. So that you can perform long on stage.
Yeah, you need to give me a whole diet.
Good diet list.
I need to now. Things are now opening up again, so we are going to be on stage very soon. So I need to slim a bit and be fit again. So yeah,
so that you can do more shows and
definitely.
No, thank you, Mimmie.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming to Kwesami.
Yeah. So the food, the music, this is what makes Kwesami. You know, I'm still having a good time with you, Mimmie. So I think it's high time now with TCT guys. Listen to this. You know,
all right.
ingoma le yenziwa nguThandy Dhlana, ingoma lethi Hamba, but today sizayizwa yenziwa Mimmie Tarukwana. They love me. Wow. Nanso.
Okay, shout out to Thandy. I love this song.
Shout out to Thandy, these lyrics, my gosh.